A square has a diagonal measurement of 16 inches. What is the approximate perimeter of the square? So, here's my square. And it's saying it has a diagonal of 16. What I immediately notice is that this creates a right triangle. This creates a right triangle. And so for a right triangle, I'm going to use the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and b are the legs. In this case, because it's a square, I know that both sides of the legs are going to be the same. So what I can really say is a squared, and if that's a squared, then this is also a squared. So a squared plus a squared equals 16 squared, or 2a squared equals 16 squared. All right, so 2a squared equals 256. Divide by 2, divide by 2. A squared equals 128. Let's see. 16 squared, which means I don't want a, I don't want a squared, I want a, so I'm going to find the square root, which means a equals the square root of 128. So that means this is the square root of 128, this is the square root of 128, and this is the square root of 128, and this is also the square root of 128. Or 4 times the square root of 128. So 4 times the square root of 128. 4 times the square root of 128 equals approximately 45.